Okay, for row your boat, you're gonna just start with your open D. This is gonna be a lot of hooking the bow, but I'll talk you through it. So we're gonna go down, up. Now we're gonna go down on D and then down on 1 again. Now up on 2. So it's down, up, down, down, up. Let's try it. Ready, go. Now we're going to go down on both 2 and 1. Then up, up on 2 and 3. Then a circle bow. So we're going to go 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, A, go. Circle bow. Now 3, 3, 3, A, 2, 2, 2, D, D, D. Ready, go. Now A and 3 are down, down. Up, up on 2, 1. Down on D. Circle bow.